future is gathering speed. Borders are shifting. Challenges are growing. At OBO, we're proud to be a driving force with a new and smart digital offer. BIM at OBO. The first practical solution for BIM-compliant planning in electrical engineering. BIM at OBO assists you in effectively developing, implementing and operating your BIM projects. Intelligent libraries structured according to individual systems. Intuitive user interface. Simple integration via drag and drop. Practical display of material lists for ordering directly. So you can achieve BIM-compliant planning quickly, smoothly and sustainably. And this is only the beginning. We will continue to push boundaries and develop BIM at OBO further for more efficiency, transparency and security in your complex projects. Welcome to the future.